Honorable Speaker, sir, I rise to join hands with the Leader of the House for the government resolution opposing uranium mining in Meghalaya. Sir, for us in Meghalaya, this is not merely a question of mining, it is a question of our land, our water, our environment, and most importantly, the health and the future of our people. I think most of us, we have noticed and we have read the paper on the July 14 in the Shillong time. Uranium project under consideration. This is carried in the statement of the Union Minister of State for Atomic Energy that the uranium matter in Meghalaya was still under consideration. So after that, reading the news, immediately I call up Honorable Chief Minister. When I asked him regarding the news on the Shillong time, so I'm very happy to hear from his mouth that the uranium mining in our state will not be happen. So I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet for bringing this resolution in this August House. But let me say a very important words that we have to do. Because I believe, sir, walk more, talk less. At the same time also, I believe actions speak louder than words. Not only this resolution, but if anything come up from the government of India, I think we have to stand firm among us. I remember last few years back, as a MDC in KHADC, we have visited that site in Damasyat. And I've come across also so many residents in that area. And I've asked them, so everyone, they have opposing if anything come out for the mining. And I remember those days along with the NGOs from our state, KSU, I remember, we have been together on that site. And I remember the leaders of that particular time, at that point of time, they said, we will not allow, if anything happen also, for the uranium mining in our state. And whatever I heard from honorable member of this August House, the same language has come out. But I want that to reflect in action when the time comes, if anything happen. This is just a submission, Honorable Speaker, and I sincerely thanks and support the government resolution to oppose the uranium mining in our state. Thank you.
Thank you.